Hello, what is up, YouTube? Today I am playing some Fortnite, and I am doing this mission. It is follow the map in treasure map found in Retail Row. Alright, so, oh, I hear a chest. Oh, oh, wow. I was just taking my normal route that I usually do whenever I go to Retail Row. Alright, so let's look at this map here. Okay, so this looks like Wailing Woods here. Alright, so that is obviously north, right here, 359, or 0. Okay, so if you come in from the south, this is the south part, right here. Yeah, you want to come in from here. Alright, so what we want to do is go up, left, down, all the way left, and up again. Okay, that should be pretty easy. Not to lie, that should be pretty easy. It is usually not this laggy, you guys. It is just because I am recording, and it's not that good of a recording computer at the same time as running Fortnite. Oh, there's a ammo box. Let's go ahead and search that. Alright, let's go ahead and look at this map one last time. Alright. So, you gotta go in from you have to come in from right here, this north spot right here. Then you want to go up, left, down, all the way left, and up again. Okay. Alright, I think I got it. Did anybody else come to retail, bro? Aw, man, a trash pump. I know you guys are probably cringing out there saying that pumps are so much better though than like why is pump stress? Because I am a big tactician fan. Because from my perspective, I think since like the tactician shotgun is able to shoot faster, I believe that you can kill someone 3 times as fast or have at least a good battle with them than rather than oh my gosh, it's getting very annoying. Rather than having to keep reloading every time, whenever you can just go spam on them. All right. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Go ahead and get that full 100 shield. All right. All right. So we'll head to Wailing next game. Right now, I'm gonna try and get this W. I've not had any intercourse with anybody right now, which is pretty bad. I usually like to be in fights so I can get my aim better. I just started like not too long ago, but yeah, I'm still pretty good for me just now starting. Oh shit, no. Oh yes, I would much rather have this than that trashy blue pump. It shoots because it shoots awfully slow. Ooh, I can trade this out for that, and I'll take that. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get some materials. If you mine these fences, they're an easy way to get easy wood and materials. As you know, you guys know that the vending machines have now come out on Fortnite. So yeah, I've already found a lot of them. I've even found the rarest one, the okay, that was a trash one, but still. Yeah, it's because of this lag. If I didn't have this lag, I would have actually killed him. I promise you guys I would have. But, yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot to do this. Shout out to my friend Tyler Johnson Productions. Go check him out. He's pretty cool. He makes some very good content. And, yeah. Okay, I'll show you guys real quick what I'm never mind. I couldn't show you guys in time. It is the 7th week of the battle pass, and it's the 5th mission down. Just load up. Yeah, you guys like my little nice, perfect unicorn? Cause I love it. I like it so much. Alright, now we are in another game. Okay, good. We are going exactly by whaling at the very end of the trip. That's perfectly fine with me. That means there's not going to be a lot of people there so that they can try and kill me with this crazy lag that I have during recording, which I don't know why which I should not have, which makes me very upset. Okay. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Giant mountain. That's a very giant mountain. Okay, so mostly everybody has jumped off now. There's more than likely nobody gonna be coming whaling with me. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump out. Okay, just to remind you, just to tell you guys, I have not tried and looked for this yet. I just found it I just now found it in this video. Alright, so let's just go ahead and land. No problem. Oh, so we do have another guy coming here. I do not see anybody else. Oh no, a little bit of server lag. I mean, not server lag, but a little bit of lag. That is perfectly fine with me. I'll just hide out behind something. Nah, I'll just be a man. Okay, and hopefully that it will load. Okay, so it said go up, left, down, take a left again, all the way to the left. Okay, so here's the left. Oh, this is very easy, and here it is, right here. I can't collect it right now, but... So that's good to know that we found it instantly. That's pretty easy. They should make some harder ones. Like, honestly, they really should make some harder ones. Okay, so now I am out of that laggy issue. Wait, what? I just now noticed that my character wasn't there. I'm having some serious lag issues right now. Okay, so yeah. That is exactly where you find it, so, yeah. Have a nice day. And yeah, bye guys.